This is our Baldor half-horse carbide grinder. As you can see, this unit has the drip cup. It has two trays, which are actually removable. So you can take them off for easy cleaning. This one also comes right off for easy cleaning. Tables tilt with ease. Loosen up both clamps. You got one on the front, one in the back. See? Tighten them back up. The drip cup can come from either side, for whatever side you're working on. The side also tilts. It also comes with an adjustable fence. Normally these units are missing them. This unit has it. This unit also has forward and reverse. First we'll demonstrate it in reverse. All you're hearing vibrate are these trays on the bottom. See, when I hold them, they stops making noise. You can see that the motor has very nice bearings, nice and quiet, spools down really evenly. I'll come to a complete stop before switching direction. And we're going to go forward. Like I said, the noise is just these pans. Unit also comes with the work light. This is our half-horse Baldor carbide grinder.